Hey, I'm trying volume eating. So, volume eating meaning, ipa-prioritize mo lang yung food na naturally mababa siya sa calories pero madami siya tingnan like this. So, mainly fruits, vegetables, lean proteins. Not necessarily kailangan vegetables lang talaga. You can pair this like with the rice. Ako, I just feel like eating this ngayong lunch. Pero you don't need to give up rice. Ang idea niya lang talaga is eat more fruits and vegetables every meal. Yun lang. So, very straightforward, very easy. Fancy lang yung name, volume eating. But, yun nga, we need to understand because maraming fiber and water yung fruits and vegetables. Nakakabusog talaga siya and at the same time nutritious. So, let's try this and I hope mag-work siya sa atin. I'll see you tomorrow.